Welcome back to Glazer's Geezer Garage. Hey, this week we're headed down to Coffman Corvette. I'm going to pick up the new front clip. Pretty excited about that. Also picking up a core support. Got my grandson Liam here, my sidekick, going to help me lift some of this stuff around. And also the big news is Coffman has agreed to do some more detailed videos, mostly on the components they make. We're going to talk to Clint and his sister today about what they want. We're going to use those on our YouTube channel too. So hopefully get you guys some really good content, help Coffman Corvette out, help our YouTube channel out. Win, win, win. Everybody wins. So thanks a lot for joining us. Let's go. Here at Coffman Corvette, you got to call ahead because there's a gate. The gate is opening. Let's enter and sign in, please. We're here at Coffman Corvette. We were introduced to Chase Coffman today. Nice to meet you, buddy.
Nice to meet you as well.
And what we're going to do today, other than picking up my new front clip for my 63, is we're talking to Chase and his father, Clint, about promotion videos for them. We're going to go around today and just see what they want to highlight and go from there. But what is this? Is this one of your? Oh, this is the green one we looked at, Liam. Remember the last video?
Yeah, 67 Corvette rest rod build for a customer out of Pennsylvania.
Okay.
Got painted a few weeks ago, so now we're going through doing all the little finished detail work and starting assembly.
Yeah, we saw this, and he fell in love with the color last time we were here. So it's a great color. I like it.
I'm usually not a green fan, but this one turned out fantastic.
Yeah,
I love the color shift.
Yeah, 63 core support we're picking up today. So this is your stock. You guys keep this many in stock, huh?
Yeah.
And you guys build these from scratch, correct?
Yep. Yeah, every bit of it.
Okay.
So depending on what you're looking for, you of course do all the correct reproductions.
Yeah.
We also do a rust over mod specific grader support, which I actually don't have any right now.
What's different about
this kind of combines the best of all the different generations, depending on what people are wanting. So it's actually got 66 and 7 big block brackets on, so it kicks the bottom of the rear support out. Gives you more room in the engine bay, but it's a flat top, so if you want to run an air intake over,
Gotcha.
you can.
Yeah. Now the 63 I'm buying, it's a flat top, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'd be this one right here.
So with the LS motor, I can run it. Now I'm running air condition, but it still comes with this or no?
So if you're running vintage air, whether it's bars or not, really doesn't matter.
Okay.
Original, this would be a non-air support.
Okay.
I have.
But mine's the best of mod, so you don't have to worry about that.
The non-air would be just fine for you.
So this one is the one I would get. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. And if you guys look here, you got 5 or 6 in stock. You get 6 or 7 of those. You get 6 or 7 down here in a different year. So you keep every year in stock.
Yes. Yeah. We try to keep, a batch of, 5 or 10 or so.
Yeah. I know the paint is just a semi-gloss black, or is it powder coat, or what?
It's powder coat.
Oh, it is powder coat.
Black powder coat.
Wow, all powder coated too. That's good stuff.
So, gas pedal mount for the GM pedal.
I gotcha. Yeah.
So that mounts on a firewall. So the original mount that comes with the GM pedal.
Yeah.
These are offset, so you have to use spacers, machine stuff up.
Yeah.
So we just took and made it to where you can bolt straight flat to the firewall.
That's nice.
So this is our C2. Because of the angle of the floor on a C1 is different, this is a C1, so it's a little longer.
Okay. Now, how many parts do you guys make for a C3? I didn't know. I'm just curious.
Not as much as we do C1 and C2.
Okay.
Of course, we do a lot of the top parts, radiator support, chassis.
Yeah.
But outside of that,
because my understanding of C3 chassis is not that much. It's a little different in the back, right? Correct?
Correct. Actually, I have 2 over here, a C1 and a C2, so we can show you the difference.
Yeah.
We designed the front frame horns, they're the same between, so they have all the holes.
Okay. So the fronts are basically the same.
Yeah. Essentially, from here forward, they're the same chassis.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. The body mounts are in a different spot, they're in a different height.
Yeah.
Specific for C3 versus C2.
Yeah.
But the big difference that you would easily notice is, so the C2 rear section actually will drop down.
I see.
And if you look at the C3, it comes flat and kicks up.
Gotcha.
And then, so that has do where the bumper brackets mount,
Yeah.
and how the fuel tanks mount.
Okay. So wow. Got a nice paint booth.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's new as of a couple years ago. Semi downdraft booth. It's heated. It's a big booth.
What are we looking at here? What's this meter? Is that the rate of volume, the draft?
Yeah. So it's a positive pressure boost. So it's putting more air in than it's pulling out.
Gotcha.
So it doesn't suck dust in from any crevices or leaks in the booth.
And then you have the bake option, or you're baking on the paint too?
Yeah, so right now it's actually on. It's keeping, so the outside air right now is 29 degrees.
Right.
So it's pulling outside air in, and it is actually heating it to 78 degrees.
Nice.
It's a 1,000,000 BTU burner on the top of this.
Nice. So this is a custom mix station? Is that what we have here?
Yeah. So we use Speedsecker paints on all the cars we do.
Okay.
We have a full mix station. We can do any custom color. A customer wants to, we're doing a car for them, kind of ask, hey, find a colors you like. It could be a Toyota Camry color, a Dodge color.
So let me ask you a question for my personal car. If I do the rough bodywork, meaning just get the fiberglass bonded back on, would you guys do final bodywork and paint it for me?
It is something we could do, yeah.
Okay. You have to see if it would fit in with your other project.
Yeah.
Good. That's good
Sell
news.
the car, paint wise, black, red, silver.
Black, red, or silver.
Yep.
That's the resale.
Yes.
Resale red we used to call it.
Yeah.
Chase walked us around the back of the building after we were done loading up the front end and showed us this giant crane. It was originally used to haul giant spools of thread into the building because this was a textile factory at one point after it was the original watch factory. The racing trailer Chase is about to show us is where they take to places like Scottsdale and Corvettes at Carlisle, where they haul their racing cars and stuff like that to dirt tracks and shows. It's an amazing unit, and it was such a cool opportunity to tour through this.
Okay, we got our new front clip in the shop, as you can see here. I ordered the blonde, what they call the blonde color, because that was more of the natural original color. It comes complete with the inner fender wells, you can see here, very nice, press molded inner fender wells, press molded. You can see here it comes without the side fenders. That makes it easier to glue in the glue on the front end. These fenders are right here, they go on later. Really nice piece, I'm happy with it. Good job. That's it for this week's Geezer Garage. Thanks for watching. See ya.